To make a new asset called sound, just right-click on sound and scroll down to where it says sound. Let's call it just sound bullet. And what I'm going to do is just upload a bullet sound. So this is the exact same thing as if you were to add your room music. And what I'm going to do is when I press space, I'm going to use the exact same tool as I did before, play audio. So play audio, just play the bullet sound. And now, if you go, change it to the top, let's see what it makes, what sound it makes. Now, I want to add another sound, and this time I'm going to be sound underscore punch. So this is going to be obviously used in our fighters. So let's play the audio when we're pressing our W key or our up arrow. This will play. This sound will play. And now let's test it out. And the last one I wanted to add, or actually I added a few, I added pickup. And I added bullet hit, so when it hits something. So again, I just added it. The pickup sound when it was colliding with either the player, and the bullet hit whenever it would hit the wall or the enemy or anything really.
Ciao.